Hi, Joyful Holidays. We wanted to say a big thank you for amazing trip. We saw and did so much. The hotels were stunning, beautiful. The Wi-Fi was really high quality. The food was out of this world. We saw so many monuments and learned so much from our extremely knowledgeable and friendly guides. And we are so appreciative for all of the organizers of this trip for making it a safe, enjoyable, clean, fun, and exciting adventure for all of us to share together. We had the best time.
We especially enjoyed everything that our driver, Shankar Uncle, has done for us. Just know that if you go on this trip, you will be taken care of. And all you have to do is sit back and relax. So thank you so much, Joyful Holidays.
Thank you, Joyful Holidays.